Ready to grab your slice of the digital gold rush? Let's dive into how to buy Bitcoin using Moonpay, making your entry into cryptocurrency smooth and simple. First, head over to Moonpay's website. You can find the link in the description below for easy access. If you're new to Moonpay, you'll need to create an account. Simply enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to their terms. Already a member, just log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a section to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Select Bitcoin from the drop-down menu. Now, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can enter the amount in your local currency, and Moonpay will automatically calculate the equivalent Bitcoin amount. Next, you'll need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. This is where your purchased Bitcoin will be sent. Double check that you've entered it correctly. A typo could mean your Bitcoin goes to the wrong place. Moonpay offers various payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Choose the one that suits you best and enter your payment details securely. Depending on the amount you're buying, you might need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a copy of your ID or passport. It's a standard security measure to protect both you and Moonpay. Review all the details of your transaction one last time. Make sure everything is accurate, then confirm your purchase. And that's it. Moonpay will process your order, and your Bitcoin will be deposited into your wallet shortly. Welcome to the world of crypto. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.